All right, finally finished. I'm cleaning the fish tank right now. I turn off the lights. Here's an aquarium in the bottom. It's large. All right, this is my fish tank right here. It's a 37 gallon fish tank. It's very heavy. Now, the last time I got another desk, this is a little flimsy, a little afraid that it's gonna fall apart, and it's heavy. It weighs probably like over 300 pounds with water on it. So we got ourselves another one. There's pieces to it, but I'm not gonna show you the whole thing. We're gonna put it together. We're gonna get something that has a lot of metal, heavier, thicker metal compared to the little rods that we have in here. These are a lot thicker and sturdier, and I'm more confident of these than this. So, and this is the frame so far. I did mess up on this side. I had to flip it, so just be careful when you're doing it, because these two actually set up in there. So you guys can see how strong and sturdy it is. It took me about an hour to build. So now that I got it completed, we're gonna set it up. We're gonna try to see if we could put the actual aquarium today, but we have to drain out some of the aquarium. Very sturdy. If it could hold me, it could hold the actual aquarium. All right, first of all, everything was numbered. It came with the Allen wrenches and Phillips. You got plenty of room down here, and look at this. You got plenty of room where you're gonna open 2 shelves in here. You can put stuff 1 shelf, but 2 stations that you can set up. But this is gonna be perfect for the aquarium. This is my aquarium. This is a little larger than the original one, but that's fine. But if you guys can see it, it is curved there because of the weight. And this has 1 metal piece, 2 on the side, and that's pretty much it. Look how much weight it has on it. Now this one has a lot of metal. Metal here, metal here, metal here, and then the infrastructure of it, it's on metal too. That one doesn't have a cross frame. This one has a cross frame here, so which I like about it. Here's the final product. I am cleaning the fish tank right now. I just moved it from this one right here, which is wobbly, completely broken, to the new one. If you guys can see it, the new one is perfect. My fish tank is huge. I put in my filter system. I put in the lighting on this side on all the plugs, if you guys can see that. I got another aquarium down there along with actually sand. I got all my utensils and stuff I need all here. I got my cleaning material in here, including with the extra pump stuff, and I'm cleaning it up. That's why it's a little dark right now. I just moved a lot of sud, but overall it's working great. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.